What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2006 Triumph Sprint ST. It is the ABS model, and it is the 1050cc motor. It's got the 6-speed transmission, which is a chain drive, 5-gallon tank, and it's like 480 pounds. This is a really nice bike. We just got it in. Do not miss out on the test drive that Sean does with this bike. And yeah, let's do a quick walk around this thing. So we start here in the back tire. Back tire is looking to be in really nice shape. I bet you it's at like 80-85%. Gonna pass inspection. Lots of life left in that bad boy. We're coming up the back side here. Got the turn signals and tail light. Got this monstrosity of an exhaust tip, calling that the alien face. I think it looks pretty sweet. It actually goes well with the bike. It is an inline 3-cylinder motor. I don't know if that's playing on that a little bit. This blue color is really awesome. I really like this blue. It pops. So I actually have the key in here, and so I can just open up the bag for you guys real quick. You can see that. There's the bags. And lock it back up. Go ahead and pull the key. Stick that back in the ignition. All right. So we're gonna keep walking around this bad boy. It's got the one-piece seat. You can see the grab bar up top there. There is your passenger peg, there is your rider peg, rear brake. All this stuff here on the side looks pretty good. There's your tank. It does have the Triumph up on top. Kind of like that up on top. It does have the sliders, which is nice. If for some reason it would go down, it would protect some of your plastics and whatnot. There's the Sprint ST 1050 badge. That looks sweet. Down here you got like the low belly pan. It does have the big plastics, like the sport bike plastics. It is considered a sport bike. This is the ABS model, which is always a nice thing to have. It was definitely cutting edge in 2006. So yeah, man, that's that. Here we got the back of the mirrors, got the turn signals built in. I like this. Some of the sport bikes do this, and some of the other bikes do this with the turn signals built into the mirrors. There's your headlight, windshield, all that. The windshield is in pretty good shape. It's got some bug marks on it, but it's been ridden. It's not been neglected. It's been used. Got your front fender here. It's looking to be in really good shape. So you can see the side of the wheel. The side of the wheel looks good. You get 2 big rotors up front. I'll just show you the rear wheel really quickly. It's a really cool rear wheel. I forgot to point that out. Yeah. So let's go to the front fender. The front fender is looking to be in really, really nice shape. Some light marks here up on the very front of it. One right there on the side, one right there. But they're just little marks. They're not deep gashes or major cuts or chips or anything like that. There is the other rotor, the other side of the wheel. You can kind of see the forks going up in there into the front fairing. Got some little dirt here, but that comes right off. It's not scratches or anything like that. Again, there's that ABS badge. Got your whole front plastic, looking to be in really nice shape. Again, the sliders, Sprint ST 1050 badge, belly pan. There you can see the frames exposed, side of the tank. All of this is looking really good. There you got that Triumph up top again. There's your rider peg here, shifter, kickstand, does have the center stand. Here's your passenger peg, boop, good to go. There's that bag, we saw one on the other side, open it up for you guys. Coming up over the top, there's the seat. It is the one-piece seat, so you got your passenger seat up here, rider seat here, a little bit of back support. It does have the Triumph tank pad. Yeah. Oh. Guess not. I was gonna turn it on like that. There we go. Turn it on. You can see the gauges. It does have, I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit. 7,970 miles. Good to go. Got the gear indicator up here. That's pretty cool. There you go. See your mirrors, handlebars, all that stuff. Good to go. Let's make sure the turn signals work real quick. Rear turn signal there. Just gonna do a rear turn signal again on the other one. front. There's the front one. There's the front one there. All good to go. Let's fire this thing up real quick so you guys can hear it run. I'm gonna have to pull the clutch in, so this is gonna be a little awkward. Sorry guys. Fires right up, right to light. It's got a good sound to it. See the tail light on there. There you go, you can see it run. I'm just gonna get a good 360 of this whole bike so you can see the whole thing in one swipe. Again, it's a 2006 Triumph Sprint ST 1050. Does have the ABS brakes. Do not miss out on the test drive that Sean does of this bike. It will be up on YouTube. This bike is not gonna last long. It will be priced to sell. Check out our website, srkcycles.com, to find the prices. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Catch you later.